Are you looking for the best car cleaning product in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 10 best car cleaning products that are available on the market. Starting at number 10, we have the Holikme 6-pack Drill Brush Power Scrubber Set. This kit turns a compatible cordless drill into a powered cleaning tool, helping reduce the effort required for scrubbing stubborn dirt and buildup. It includes 5 brush shapes for different surfaces, and an extended reach attachment for accessing narrow, recessed, or awkward areas. For automotive cleaning, the brushes can be used on wheels, tires, durable floor mats, selected upholstery, and other suitable surfaces. The extension is particularly helpful around spokes, wheel wells, crevices, and spaces where a handheld brush may be difficult to maneuver. The nylon bristles are designed to clean effectively without scratching many surfaces, although users should always test a hidden area first and use suitable drill speed, pressure, and cleaning solution. The set is also useful for household jobs involving tubs, tile, grout, showers, floors, carpets, kitchen surfaces, stove grates, and drip pans. The connecting shaft measures 1/4 inch, so confirm that your drill chuck supports this size before purchasing. A cordless drill is not included, and the manufacturer recommends pairing the brushes with appropriate cleaning products for better results. Overall, the Holikme set is a versatile option for deeper automotive and household scrubbing tasks. At number 9, we have the Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash. Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash shampoo and conditioner in a 1-gallon container. This premium wash soap is designed to clean and condition vehicle paint in a single step. Its ultra-rich foaming action helps loosen road grime, dirt, dust, and stubborn contaminants while providing lubrication that supports a safer washing process. The formula cleans effectively without stripping existing wax protection, making it suitable for routine maintenance washes. As the shampoo removes impurities, its conditioning agents help improve paint color, clarity, gloss, and depth, leaving the exterior with a smoother, more radiant appearance. You can use it with a traditional bucket and wash mitt, or place the proper mixture in a compatible foam cannon for thicker coverage. For better results, begin with a cool vehicle in the shade, rinse away loose dirt, wash from the top downward, and dry the paint with a clean microfiber towel. The 1-gallon size is useful for enthusiasts who wash frequently, maintain several vehicles, or prefer buying detailing supplies in larger quantities. Overall, Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash is an excellent choice for drivers seeking cleaning performance, abundant foam, preserved wax protection, and gloss without needing a separate conditioning step. At number 8, we have the Armor All Multi-Purpose Car Cleaner Spray. Armor All Multi-Purpose Car Cleaner Spray with odor elimination technology and a new car scent. This 16 fluid-ounce interior cleaner is formulated for several automotive surfaces, including dashboards, vinyl, clear plastic, carpet, and fabric. It is designed to remove everyday dust, dirt, grime, fingerprints, stains, and stubborn smudges, including residue from sunscreen. Because one bottle can handle both hard and soft interior materials, it can simplify routine cleaning without requiring several specialized products. The formula has been tested for automotive surfaces and is intended to reveal the material's natural appearance without drying, fading, or damaging delicate finishes when used as directed. For best results, spray it onto a microfiber towel, or apply carefully to the target area, then wipe and repeat if heavier dirt remains. Avoid oversaturating fabrics and test a hidden section before cleaning sensitive materials. The odor elimination feature helps refresh the cabin, while the new car fragrance leaves the interior smelling cleaner after use. It works well for dashboards, door panels, consoles, carpeted areas, seat fabric, and frequently touched surfaces. Overall, Armor All Multi-Purpose Cleaner is an affordable and convenient option for drivers who want a straightforward spray for regular interior maintenance and fast cleanup jobs. At number 7, we have the KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner and Air Duster. This compact cordless tool combines vacuuming and blowing functions, allowing it to collect loose debris or push dust out of tight spaces. Its 120-watt motor provides up to 9,000 PA of suction for cleaning seats, floor mats, dashboards, cup holders, vents, keyboards, sofas, pet hair, and other small areas. The built-in 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery can be charged through a car charger, power bank, laptop, or wall outlet, with a listed full charging time of approximately 3 hours. Weighing only 0.72 pounds, the device is light enough for comfortable one-handed use and easy storage inside a vehicle. A built-in LED light improves visibility under seats, around pedals, and in dark corners. Multiple nozzles and detachable brush heads help adapt the cleaner to different surfaces, gaps, and detailing jobs. Maintenance is simple because the dust cup opens with one-click disassembly, while the HEPA filter is washable and reusable. The filter should be cleaned regularly and fully air-dried before reinstallation. Overall, this KMM 2-in-1 vacuum and duster is a convenient choice for quick automotive, household, and office cleaning without relying on disposable compressed air cans. At number 6, we have the Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound, a 15.2-ounce paint correction product designed to remove common defects while restoring gloss and clarity. It targets light scratches, swirl marks, oxidation, water spots, and other imperfections that can make automotive paint appear faded, cloudy, or neglected. The formula uses Meguiar's micro-abrasive technology to cut quickly while reducing the haze and fine scratches that traditional rubbing compounds may leave behind. It is safe for clear coats and glossy single-stage paints when used according to the directions, making it suitable for many modern and older vehicles. You can apply it by hand with an appropriate applicator pad, or use a dual-action polisher for faster, more even correction across larger areas. For best results, begin with a clean, cool surface, work on one small section at a time, and remove the residue with a clean microfiber towel. Very deep scratches may require professional repair, but lighter defects can often become much less noticeable. In addition to correcting surface flaws, the compound helps restore color, shine, reflectivity, and overall paint clarity. Overall, Meguiar's Ultimate Compound is a strong DIY option for reviving weathered paint or improving a vehicle's finish before polishing and waxing. At number 5, we have the Weiman Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. This product combines cleaning, conditioning, and protection in one step, making it useful for maintaining finished leather car seats and interior trim. The formula removes dirt, oils, grime, soil, and residue buildup, while helping restore the leather's natural softness, flexibility, and appearance. It contains 6 natural oils that moisturize and condition the surface, which can be beneficial for leather exposed to frequent use, dry air, changing temperatures, and regular sunlight. Weiman also includes UV protection to help reduce fading, drying, discoloration, and cracking caused by sun exposure. Application is straightforward with the trigger spray, although testing the product on a hidden section before full use is always sensible. It is suitable for smooth, finished leather and can also be used on couches, office chairs, jackets, handbags, shoes, boots, saddles, and selected faux leather surfaces. After wiping, the formula is designed to leave no greasy or sticky residue, helping the material feel clean and comfortable. Overall, Weiman Leather Cleaner and Conditioner is a versatile choice for drivers who want to clean neglected leather, improve its feel, and provide ongoing protection with one easy-to-use treatment. Moving on, at number 4, we have the PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel. PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel, a reusable detailing putty designed for hard-to-reach areas inside a vehicle. Its soft, moldable texture can be pressed into air vents, steering wheel controls, console seams, cup holders, storage bins, door handles, dashboard gaps, and other narrow spaces where regular towels or vacuum attachments may struggle. As you press and lift the gel, it picks up dust, crumbs, and small particles from textured or uneven surfaces. Using it is simple. Gently push the putty into the target area, press lightly, and slowly pull it away with the debris attached. The manufacturer advises users not to wash the gel with water. After cleaning, place it back in the original jar and store it in a cool, dry location. The lavender-scented compound is made from materials intended to be friendly to automotive surfaces and can be reused until it becomes dark or excessively dirty. It can also be used on suitable keyboards, calculators, laptops, remote controls, and other water-resistant equipment, but it should not be applied to phone screens or computer monitors. Overall, the PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel is an affordable and convenient accessory for quick dust removal from awkward interior crevices. At number 3, we have the Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. This all-in-one formula is designed to clean several automotive interior surfaces, including leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, glass, dashboards, seats, door panels, trim, and infotainment screens. That broad compatibility can simplify your detailing routine, because you do not need a separate cleaner for every material inside the cabin. The spray gently lifts dust, dirt, grime, body oils, and fingerprints while helping restore a clean, natural appearance. It also leaves behind a protective layer intended to help surfaces resist dust, fingerprints, and everyday wear. Application is quick and straightforward. Spray the product onto the surface or a microfiber towel, wipe the area, and allow it to dry. No rinsing or extra buffing is required, making it useful for fast touch-ups as well as complete interior detailing sessions. Another advantage is the factory-style finish. Rather than leaving dashboards or seats greasy, overly shiny, or slippery, the cleaner aims for a fresh, streak-free look with a natural sheen. Overall, Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner is a convenient choice for drivers who want one easy product for maintaining a cleaner, more inviting, and well-protected vehicle interior. At number 2, we have the USANOOKS Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. Each gray towel measures 12.5 by 12.5 inches and is designed for washing, drying, dusting, polishing, and general automotive detailing. The Grip-Root microfiber weave works by trapping liquid, dirt, grime, moisture, and fine particles instead of simply pushing them across the surface. According to the product information, each towel can hold 8 to 10 times its weight in liquid and is 4 times more absorbent than cotton cloths. The 300 GSM material and 2.5 mm thickness provide a substantial feel, better grip, and added durability during repeated use. These cloths are intended to avoid lint, scratching, pilling, shedding, color bleeding, and swirl marks when used properly. Rapid dry release layers also help create a cleaner, streak-free finish on mirrors, windows, paint, and glossy trim. Overlock braided stitching strengthens the edges, while the reusable construction is rated for more than 200 washes. With 12 towels included, you can assign separate cloths to paint, glass, wheels, and interior surfaces. Overall, this USANOOKS pack offers a versatile, absorbent, and reusable solution for regular car care, garage work, and household cleaning tasks during every detailing session. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sprayway Glass Cleaner Foaming Aerosol Spray. We have the Sprayway Glass Cleaner Foaming Aerosol Spray, offered here in a convenient 2-pack of 19-ounce cans. This fast-acting cleaner is made for automotive glass and other glass surfaces, where fingerprints, dust, dirt, and smoke film can reduce visibility and leave an untidy appearance. Its foaming action helps the cleaner cling to the surface instead of immediately running downward, giving you more control when cleaning windshields, side windows, mirrors, and other smooth glass areas. The ammonia-free formula cleans and polishes without the harsh ammonia smell found in some traditional glass cleaners. It is also designed to dry quickly and leave a streakless finish, which is especially important when cleaning a windshield where leftover haze can become distracting in sunlight or at night. Application is simple. Spray an even layer, wipe with a clean microfiber towel, and finish with a dry side for greater clarity. The fresh fragrance leaves the cleaned area smelling pleasant after use. Overall, Sprayway Glass Cleaner is a practical choice for drivers who want an easy-to-use aerosol cleaner that tackles common glass contamination while helping produce a clear, polished, and streak-free result.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.